Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make text typography in Photoshop step by step. Please follow my process. First of all, open your Photoshop, then create a new file. First of all, I color the background of gradient. Press Ctrl Z for duplicate layer. Click the icon. Select solid color. Okay, then again create a new layer. Text type. Right click on your mouse. Type horizontal. Text Arial simple black. Text color anything. Okay, then text size, see this. Press Ctrl T. And see this text. Right click on your mouse, create convert smart object. Again right click mouse, rasterize layer. Then hold Ctrl, click the image layer, clipping mask, and click the brush tool. See this black color plate, black and white. Size or resize or use bracket. Okay, then press white. Press Ctrl D. Edit any effect. Then edit effect. Right click on your mouse. Convert to smart object. Again right click. Then apply the same formula. Press Ctrl Z. Ctrl D. FX edit drop shadow. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.